Hi guys, today we'll be fishing a part of the Murray River just out of Coonamoo. Just camping here just for the night and trying to catch a few fish. So yeah, see how it goes. So yeah, just picked him up out of that log. We'll have to see what size he goes, and yeah, I'll be back with you once we got the hook out and everything. Right. So yeah, it's just snuck in as a keeper, not a bad fish. Yeah.
Beautiful little fat belly, looks healthy, looks really healthy.
Okay, so the rig we're using is really simple. It's just braid to leader, about a metre of leader, down to just a little ball sinker, then just to an owner circle hook, size 2 I have at the moment, and just a cube of mozzarella. Just a running sinker, nothing special, but it does the trick. Little fish, I think. Little cod we're thinking I'll get the net, I'll get fish. Oh no, he doesn't need netting. Might as well anyway. So yeah, just a little. Straight up. It's not very big, but it's something to finally get on the board with. Day 2 of our fishing trip. Yesterday afternoon was quite slow. We didn't really get anything. The morning was good, but then the fish stopped biting in the afternoon. So we've come out here before breakfast and see if we can't get a fish or two. Purple and black stump jumper. Try to get a yellow, or a little cod or a little yellow or something. Yeah.
Here's one heat, Max. So how was it last night, Cash? Good?
That's just hooked up. It's been a really slow morning with hardly anything. That's finally got a fish. Doesn't seem to be that big at the moment. I'll grab the net just in case. You never know. A bad little cod.
No. Good colour. Can't leave it away.
Got him. Look at the.
I'm happy with that one, Max.
Quite dark coloration. Good little cod. He just went for the mozzarella, just a cube of mozzarella. But yeah, it's been tough going for the last little while with not getting much. The fish just haven't been on the bite, and all of a sudden they've just come out of nowhere, and
hopefully we'll be onto a big one.
they're on the chew. So we'll just we've already wet the brag mat. He's nice.
44?
Let him swim off down there. Okay, it wasn't a bad weekend. The fish weren't really on the bite all weekend. It was kind of slow. They didn't really want the bait. But we ended up with Dad getting the majority of the fish, a 58 centimetre cod, a 44, and a few little trout cod in the mix, about 30 centimetres. But it wasn't bad weekend, just out the river having a camp and that. It's always good fun. Anyway, till next time, see ya.